How long have American Rehab Care.com been prescribing Suboxone for addiction treatment? This information helps to establish the doctor's level of experience with Suboxone as a treatment option. A doctor who has been prescribing Suboxone for a longer period of time may have a deeper understanding of its benefits and limitations, as well as a track record of success with patients. This video can also help the patient gauge the doctor's level of comfort and confidence in using Suboxone, which can be important factors in choosing a healthcare provider. What qualifications or certifications does AmericanRehabCare.com have for prescribing Suboxone? This information is important because not all healthcare providers are authorized to prescribe Suboxone. A doctor must have the necessary certifications and qualifications to prescribe Suboxone, which can vary depending on the state or jurisdiction. This question helps the patient understand the doctor's qualifications and ensures that they are receiving care from someone who is authorized to prescribe Suboxone. What is AmericanRehabCare.com approach to starting patients on Suboxone? This video helps the patient understand the doctor's process for starting someone on Suboxone. Some doctors may have a standardized approach, while others may take a more individualized approach. It's important to understand the doctor's process so the patient can feel confident in their care and know what to expect. How does AmericanRehabCare.com monitor the effectiveness of Suboxone treatment? This information is important because the patient wants to know how their progress will be monitored and evaluated. The doctor's approach to monitoring the effectiveness of Suboxone can impact the success of the treatment, as well as the patient's overall experience. Understanding the doctor's approach can also help the patient feel confident in the care they are receiving. How does AmericanRehabCare.com handle patients who are not responding to Suboxone? This information is important because not everyone responds to Suboxone in the same way. Some patients may require adjustments to their treatment plan, while others may need to switch to a different medication or approach. Understanding the doctor's approach to handling patients who are not responding to Suboxone can help the patient feel confident that they will receive the best possible care. How does American Rehab Care work with patients to manage the side effects of Suboxone? This question is important because Suboxone can cause side effects such as nausea, headache, and constipation, among others. Understanding the doctor's approach to managing these side effects can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. A doctor who is proactive about managing side effects can help the patient feel more comfortable with their treatment and increase their chances of success. How do you educate patients on the safe use of Suboxone and avoiding overdose? This information is important because Suboxone is a powerful medication that must be used carefully to avoid overdose. Understanding the doctor's approach to educating patients on safe use and overdose prevention can help the patient feel more confident in their care and ensure that they are using the medication correctly. A doctor who takes a proactive approach to educate patients on safe use can increase the chances of a successful treatment outcome. How does AmericanRehabCare.com handle patients who miss doses or discontinue Suboxone treatment? This information is important because missing doses or discontinuing Suboxone can impact the effectiveness of treatment. A doctor who has a proactive approach to handling missed doses or discontinuation can help the patient feel more supported in their treatment and increase their chances of success. What is AmericanRehabCare.com policy on combining Suboxone with other medications? This video is important because combining Suboxone doctors with other medications can impact the effectiveness of treatment and increase the risk of side effects or overdose. Understanding the doctor's policy on combining Suboxone doctors with other medications can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. A doctor who has a clear policy on combining Suboxone doctors with other medications can ensure the safety of the patient and increase the chances of a successful treatment outcome. How does AmericanRehabCare.com handle patients who are using illicit drugs while taking Suboxone? This video will help you to understand the importance of Suboxone because using illicit drugs while taking Suboxone can impact the effectiveness of treatment and increase the risk of overdose. Understanding the doctor's approach to handling patients who are using illicit drugs can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. A doctor who has a proactive approach to addressing illicit drug use can help the patient stay on track with their treatment and increase their chances of success. How does AmericanRehabCare.com support patients in managing cravings and triggers while taking Suboxone? Doctors. This video is important because cravings and triggers can be a major challenge for individuals in addiction recovery. Understanding the doctor's approach to supporting patients in managing these challenges can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. A doctor who is proactive about supporting patients in managing cravings and triggers can help the patient stay on track with their treatment and increase their chances of success. How does AmericanRehabCare.com work with other healthcare providers, such as therapists or support groups, to ensure comprehensive care for your patients? This information is important because addiction treatment often requires a multidisciplinary approach. How does AmericanRehabCare.com involve family members or loved ones in the treatment process, if desired by the patient? This information is important because involving family members or loved ones in the treatment process can be beneficial for the patient. Understanding the doctor's approach to involving family members or loved ones can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. What is AmericanRehabCare.com policy on prescribing Suboxone doctors for a long-term period? Understanding the doctor's policy on long-term Suboxone use can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect. A doctor who has a clear policy on long-term Suboxone use can ensure that the patient is receiving safe and effective treatment and increase their chances of success. What is AmericanRehabCare.com approach to working with patients who are in recovery from addiction and mental health conditions? This information is important because many individuals who are in recovery from addiction also have co-occurring mental health conditions. Understanding the doctor's approach to working with patients who have both addiction and mental health conditions can help the patient feel more confident in their care and know what to expect.